Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking your GeoFiber plan and ensuring you have the account credentials. This saves time. Once done, make sure your payment method or promo entitlement is active on the GeoFiber portal so the subscription flow proceeds without blocks. Next, open YouTube and sign in to the same Google account you'll use for premium. This connects entitlements. You're starting the purchase path now and preventing account mismatches that cause failed activations. You navigate the My Geo app or GeoFiber dashboard and find the YouTube Premium offer. This is the central activation step. When you select the offer, redeem or apply the voucher code and follow the provided OAuth link that hands permission to YouTube. This is why you need the same Google account signed in. Make sure to confirm billing source if prompted. Geo often bills or validates the promo. After confirmation, wait a few minutes for the entitlement to propagate. You verify success by looking for the premium badge and testing ad-free or background playback. This proves the grant applied. If it's not active, sign out and sign back into YouTube, clear the app cache, or reboot the router. These simple steps often push the update. If that fails, wait 15 to 30 minutes for server sync, then contact Geo support with the transaction ID and screenshot of the offer. They can trace and reissue the entitlement if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.